Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a quick short. I had a question that was about how to link up a JavaScript file to an HTML. So let's go in and just do this real quick So let's create up a new file. Let's save this. And I'm going to put it in my desktop. I'm going to call this index.html. And again, we're just going to do HTML. And here we'll do HTML5. We're going, actually, you know what? Let's make this even simpler. Let's just do HTML. We're going to do body, and then we're going to do script src, and we're going to call this script.js. So, and let's give this body just a little bit of fun here. So let's do h1, and it's going to just be hello title. And let's go on and create up a new file here. Let's save this, and this will be script.js. And then we'll just do a console log of hello world. Now, as we see here, this is javascript.js. We have an HTML file. And to connect the script to run, this will be this script, and inside that tag is src is equal to the name of the JavaScript file that we want to have in there. And that's all we need to do. If we go over to our HTML and we double click here, and we go to our inspection element in here, and we go to our console, you see here, hello world. Okay, everything worked out just as we planned, and it was all nice and clean. Again, we can refresh this, and again, here we see hello world. So this is how we connect up a JavaScript file to an HTML file. Thank you, guys.